Welcome to Cookinglandia, where every recipe tells a story. Today, we're baking one of the most iconic and elegant cakes in the world, the red velvet cake. Soft, moist, with a subtle cocoa flavor and that signature velvety texture. This isn't just a cake, it's a piece of culinary history. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these delicious recipes coming. The red velvet cake dates back to the early 20th century in the United States. Originally, its reddish tone came from a natural reaction between cocoa powder and acidic ingredients like buttermilk and vinegar. During the Great Depression, food coloring was introduced to enhance its vibrant appearance, turning it into the striking dessert we know today. One of the biggest boosts in popularity came from the famous Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York. Today, red velvet has evolved into cupcakes, cookies, and even lattes, but the classic cake remains a timeless favorite. Here's what you'll need. You can also find these ingredients in the description below. For the cake, 300 grams or 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 300 grams or 1½ cups of sugar, 15 grams or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 5 grams or 1 teaspoonful of baking soda, 5 grams or 1 teaspoonful of salt, 240 milliliters or 1 cup of buttermilk, 240 milliliters or 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 10 milliliters or 2 teaspoonful of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of red food coloring. For the frosting, 450 grams or 16 ounces of cream cheese, 200 grams or 1 cup of butter, 500 grams or 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract. Start by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, mix the buttermilk, oil, eggs, vinegar, vanilla, and red food coloring until smooth. Combine both mixtures and stir gently until fully incorporated. Don't overmix. Pour the batter evenly into prepared cake pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Let the cakes cool completely before frosting. For the frosting, beat the cream cheese and butter until smooth, then gradually add powdered sugar and vanilla. Finally, assemble the cake by layering and spreading the frosting evenly. And there you have it, a perfectly soft and rich red velvet cake. Serve it chilled or at room temperature, and enjoy every bite of its creamy, velvety texture. Thank you for watching Cookinglandia. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves desserts as much as you do. See you in the next recipe.